Once again, welcome back to the e-learning online course on designing e-resources, session number 2 on MS Word. Word files play a major role in preparing e-resources. It always helps a teacher to prepare some notes or whatever he wants to give it to the children. He can prepare it in the form of a Word file. Very easy to do it also. In this video, you will learn tip to use a Word file, pasting images in a Word file, and converting Word file to PDF. Let us start now. Let us try to open the folder which you have already opened. I opened in personal and it was class 10 mathematics. In the Word document, let me open a new Word file. For you, I will call it as demo. I will open it now. Now you might have already opened one Word file for the topic which you have selected. But remember, whenever you open a Word file, the toolbox which you are seeing over here, it will vary from the MS Office version to version, but the way which you are using will be the same in most of the places. Okay, what you have to do in the beginning is, whenever you are typing, suppose when you are typing something and when you are entering it, there is unnecessary gap is coming. Or what you have to do is, in the beginning, this is the tip which you have to remember. In the beginning, please select this no spacing. Select this no spacing. It will always start with normal. You select the no spacing. When you select the no spacing, you see there is no space is there. For whenever you need a space, you can give it at the afterwards. Therefore, no spacing you have to keep. Then here in that layout, you check out what is the size taken by it. But normally in most of the cases, the size will be directly taken as A4 as a default. If it is A4, select it as A4. And margin also, it will be normal. If you want to manage things, then you can select the narrow afterwards. Okay, now what I have done in that home, I have selected no spacing. I have selected layout as A4 and margin as 1:1. Okay, here in that you can have either 12 or 14. In the beginning itself, you can have either 12 or 14. Okay, this is the way which you have to do it. Okay, now I will just paste some material which I have already done it. I have done some material on online education. For now, this actually having only very small one. Therefore, I will make it into 14. Suppose you can justify it by making use of it. You can justify it. Suppose if you want to give some space, Control 2 will give you 2 space. Control 5 will give you 1.5 space. These are the things which you can do after all typing is over. Control 2, by selecting all, Control 2 will give you 2 line space, and Control plus 5, the number 5, will give you 1.5. Okay, now this is the way I have just done some, I have made that whatever I have copied, it is very clear now because it is 14 and having 1.5 place. Now the next one is how to copy one image over here. I will just to go to the website. In the Google form, Google search, I will type online teaching. Something I will just type. Now I will go to these images. So many images are there. You see, so many images are there. Okay, let me select this image now because it is having KVS online teaching also. Now after it is opening, you just right click it and then copy this image. Again I repeat, copy this and then click copy the image. Come back to this Word file, the demo, where the cursor where you want to paste it, you keep it and then click paste. Or you can put Control V also. It will get pasted automatically. Sometimes it will take some time to get pasted. Okay, now it is pasted now. Remember, in Word you cannot move it. But in PowerPoint you can move it. Now you can resize it now by putting this bubbles. You can resize it, but you cannot move it. But how to move it in a required place? It is very simple. What you do is come out. You see this menu bar. Whenever you are clicking this, one more menu is opening as format after this Acrobat. In your computer, it may be at the end. If you click it, I am going to this format. After clicking it, go to this format. Go to this wrap text. In that, you select either square or tight. You select this tight. I am selecting tight. Now come out. Now you can move it. Okay, this is the way to move it. Move in a desired place. You want to just put it over here, or I want to put it at the top. Online education, I want to put it at the top. I'm just pressing it and I'm putting it at the top. Or you can put it in any place, or you can type below it after that. Okay. Now this is the way how to manage the images. Now whenever you want to share a Word file with the children, there are so many ways of doing it. You can make it as a password protected for modification, or you can lock it. So many ways are there, but the better way to share it on online is converting whatever you have done in a Word file into a PDF. Let us see how it can be converted into a PDF. It is very simple. After all your work is over, if the file is ready, now save it. Now it is a better practice to save it, the file, whenever you are doing the job. Okay, now go to this file, go to this save as. There are some ways, there are certain computers where directly you can save it as a PDF, but I am telling the way how to do it in a normal way. Your Word document where I am working now, the class 10 mathematics where I am working now, in that Word document I am going to have this as a PDF. Out of this save as a type, go to this PDF, select this PDF and then click save. So many options will come, standard or maximum minimum size. You select the standard and then click save. Okay, now I will tell you that how it has come now. Now this is the folder which this is the demo. Now it is a PDF file. For now, you whatever the work you have done in your Word, whether it is in the form of a question paper or it may be a practice item to the children, it can be converted into a PDF. The advantage of this PDF is very easy to upload it in the net, and not only that, this PDF can be viewed in the mobile very quickly comparative with the Word file. Therefore, what we have seen now in our file today, tips to use a Word file we have seen, and pasting images in a Word file and how to move it to a desired place we have seen. Then how to convert a Word file to PDF so that we can make use of it. Okay. Now, what you have to do? Open a Word file in the folder created by you. Type some text and save the file. Paste an image and format the image and save the Word file as a PDF. These are the tasks which you have to do so that you will have a practice over it. Then other part of the course will be covered in the next videos.